How to fix Snapchat Crystal not showing. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your Snapchat Crystal emoji or charm isn't showing. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Google Play Store and make sure to update the app to its latest version. Tap on the search bar at the bottom right and then simply search for Snapchat. Hit enter, go to Snapchat, and if you see an update button here, just make sure to update the app. Next step is to check your friendship status because the crystal charms um, they only appear for best friends or the people you've shared a long snap streak with. Make sure that your friends ensure this requirement. So go to the profile of any of your friend. Make sure you have a streak maintained with them. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, here you'll be able to see the charms. And if you're not able to see it, then what you can do is try to clear cache. So you could see your charms with your friend's profile. Go to your home screen, open up Snapchat or long press on it. Go to the app info and then go to storage and then clear cache. After doing so, you could clear cache on Snapchat app itself. Open Snapchat, then go to profile, the gear icon, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find clear cache. Tap on continue. And now you should be able to see the Snapchat crystal or the charms. Now the final step you can try to do is uninstall the application and reinstall it back and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and I'll see you on the next one.